ever wonder that this is not a life that you are meant to be? You are meant to do something big, something good, and you feel that you are not satisfied with the version of life that you are living, and you feel that, oh, there is something more that I'm missing out in my life, and you don't know what that is. Well, my dear friends, you are at the right place at the right time. Well, welcome to Transforming Towards Becoming the Limitless You series. Okay, so discovering your life purpose is something about finding your passions. Now, finding your passion is not a day or 2 days ka task. Like, oh, when I was kid, I wanted to be this. Let me try this. Oh, I found my passion. No, to find your passion is all about exploring yourself. And how do you explore yourself? By doing different sort of tasks. Analyze yourself. What have you did it till now? अब तक आपने किया क्या है that have made you happy, that have brought spark in your eyes? What have you done that have brought joy to you? Whether it's about helping someone, whether it's about drawing a doodle and you felt like, oh, it turned out to be good. I really want to do more of this. Have you ever encountered any sort of those things? Well, take a day or 2 days ka time, analyze yourself, think about it. What have you done? Even if you still do not find out that what you are passionate about, well, don't worry guys. Then Tanvi is near, no fear. Okay, so as per Prajakta Kohli, she says that, everybody needs to do different sort of activities to find out if they are still passionate about it. Give it a time. It's not like you have to just practice it for 1 day and you'll come to know whether you really want to opt for it or not. But explore yourself, guys. Do different sort of activities. If you are into sketching, learn sketch. Even if it's online, free classes hai, jo bhi hai. Try to do that. If you love dancing, play a music, dance yourself heart out and ask yourself, is this making you relax? Is this making you happy? What is it that makes you feel happy? Do more of such things and do deeper once you realize, oh, this is what makes me happy. Okay, if dance makes me happy, why don't I join classes? Why don't I go to a professional and learn? If that makes me more happy, that means I'm meant to do something related to dance. But at the same time, do not stop exploring other options. Maybe dance is what makes you relax. So my dear friends, as per Prajakta Kohli, she meant is that if you do not try different stuff, you won't realize that whether you are really meant to do this or not. You need to give a certain time. Now you will say, Ki Tanvi, I have so many options in my life. What should I choose? Well, don't worry. As I said, I have my own tried and tested ways that I'll be sharing it with you right now. Out of which one is one of my favorite. Try reverse clarity method. Ask yourself, do you want to be a barber? If answer comes no, chalk it. If answer comes yes, maybe I could give it a shot. I mean, I'm good at it. I don't know. ऐसे सारे जवाब आ रहे हैं सभी चीजों के लिए. उन सभी चीजों को ट्राई करो, एक्सप्लोर करो, learn about those stuff. And do you feel happy learning about it? If the process makes you happy, then my dear friend, that's your true purpose. That is one of my tried and tested method. My third method is also awesome that you could try. Take a book and pen, make it 3 columns. First में you need to envision your life as it is. मतलब situation वगैरह सब same है, कुछ नहीं बदला है life में. It's same as that you are living right now. ठीक है? How do you envision your life in that scenario? What is the future you in that kind of scenario? ठीक है? Write it down. However you imagine it. It's like, oh, I'm still unhappy. I'm still living monotonous life. I am not happy with it. My financial condition is still same. I'm paying a lot of EMIs and whatever you envision that is, you have to mention it in the first column. Okay. In second column, you need to envision your life if you had everything in that life. अगर आपके पास सब कुछ होता तो आप कैसी अपनी जिंदगी जीते. What would be the life if you would have everything that you wanted? Make a list of that. Third column में envision your life if you had no money issues. आजकल money की वजह से we have been facing lot of issues. We suppress, our emotions, our expectations, our dreams most probably. So just imagine if you had no money issues. How would you have imagined your life? What would be your life look like? Okay. Now compare all those 3 columns. What are the common themes that you find? If you find happiness as the common theme, that means you are lacking happiness in your life. You need to work towards your happiness. If money is your theme, you need to find a way to become abundant towards money. How? We'll be soon talking in our future vlogs, but first and foremost, find yourself out, guys. Ask yourself what you are meant to be. What do you want to be? This is how you really want to live your life? No, right? Then do this task. Find yourself out. Share this vlog who you think needs to find themselves too. Take this journey together. Maybe it will really help you too. Okay. So yes, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. I'll see you next week with the new version of your life where you almost are at a pace where you are finding yourself on transforming towards becoming the limitless you. Till that time, hasta la vista, sayonara, and Hari Om, guys.